Hi, I'm Tom with Learn PDR Online, and it's just a really short video today. I've just bumped into somebody that I used to work with many years ago when I first started learning paintless dent removal, and it reminded me of a chap that worked there at this garage we worked at that gave me some of the best advice I've ever had to this day. So I wanted to make this short video today just to pass that advice on to you in the hope that perhaps it will help you too. So stay tuned. So when I first started learning paintless dent removal, I was working in a body repair shop garage, and I was working there part-time doing vehicle estimating, assessing vehicle damage, and also stripping and fitting vehicles. And I was learning paintless dent removal part-time as well, and there was an old panel beater that worked with me there, and he gave me some of the best advice. It was short and abrupt, but as a newbie starting out, I was really nervous about going out there in the real world. What if I make a mistake on a real car for a real customer in a real life situation? So obviously I was apprehensive, as I'm sure we all are when we start something new, and I was so scared to go out there and make a mistake. The advice was short and abrupt, but it stuck with me. And he said, I guarantee you 100% you will fuck up. It's how you deal with the fuck up that counts. Now, the advice was short and abrupt, and I apologise for the language, but it's powerful stuff. It stuck with me because as a newbie learning paintless dent removal, or as a business owner, 100% you are going to make a mistake. It's inevitable. So there's little or no point worrying about it. It will happen, but it's understanding that it's a learning opportunity, and being able to develop as an individual, and really kind of what you do from that to rectify the situation and what resolution you can give. So often as a newbie, one of the most likely situations is that you're not going to be able to get the dent out, or potentially make the dent worse, or maybe crack the paint in removing the dent. But in my opinion, my experience, the best option is to just be upfront and honest with your customer or client, and explaining the problem and the potential resolution that you can offer them. So certainly early on in my career, I did make mistakes with the repairs. Thankfully, not so much these days. But I'm quite confident to say that to this day, I do not have an unhappy customer. Every single customer would come back to me and use me again, even if I haven't been able to take out their damage. By having that communication skills and being honest, a customer will respect that, and you can tell, you can see that, and it's a real valuable asset to have, really, and a skill to have in learning from your mistakes, and seeing them as an opportunity rather than a failure, an opportunity to learn what you could do differently, and preventative matters to take next time, perhaps. So the key is that you will make a mistake, but it's understanding it's an opportunity to learn from your mistake and develop as an individual and a PDR technician. So, like I say, short video, short and abrupt advice, but I hope it's helped. It certainly helped with me in terms of a confidence side of things in just getting out there and getting started. I'd love to hear your feedback, so please do put your comments below, and hopefully you found the video useful. If you have, give us that thumbs up. Don't forget you can hit subscribe to the channel, just about up here somewhere. And I'm Tom with Learn PDR Online. Thank you very much for watching.